Yeah, hallelujah. So, welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord, and I welcome you all to my channel. So, please, if you're watching me from YouTube, make sure that you subscribe. If you're watching me from TikTok, make sure that you follow me for more. Yeah, so today's episode, I want to show you a strategy to build a small account to a huge account. I mean, like you trying to flip a small account like $10 to $100 account. Yeah. So if you have time, please watch me from the beginning to the end so that you will not miss anything from it. Yeah. So I've already taught you much about crypto arbitrage, how we do crypto arbitrage and stuff. Yeah. So I think you have fair knowledge about it. And if you don't have fair knowledge about it and you want to start from scratch too, I'm there. I can mentor you for that. I have my link in the description and a link in the comment section. You can chat me and we'll talk business and I'll mentor you. Yeah. So let me show you the strategy. Yeah. So you see, if you want to start arbitrage, first of all, you have to find opportunity first. So the opportunity means that you have to have a coin that you can buy it at a lower rate on one platform and sell it at a higher rate on another platform. So how can you find a coin? That is why I have AI bots that can search for the coin for you. Yeah. So the coin will be your source of income. So how can you build a $10 account to $100 or $1,000 account? That's what this video is about. So let me use XT account and also use Ascendus account to do it. Yeah. So if I come to XT account, let me use a coin that we call it's Rocky. So if you see a coin like this, its value is 0.000470 and the 24 hours market value is $343,400 and the 24 value of the Rocky is 723.3 million Rocky coin. Yeah. So when you see opportunity like this, you think that it's not valuable, or it's not, like, let me say, like, it's not worth it, like, yeah, something like that, because you think that 0.000 there, how can I make profit? And that's where you are making mistakes. So if you have a coin, like, let's say a coin like, let me use the example coins so that you see some example coins. A coin like let's say solar XRP. Okay, XRP. I want to see something. XRP. The value of XRP is $2.24, and if I come to here and say I want to search for XRP, it's 2.24. So let's say if this one is $3 and this one is 2.2, the profit that you get on this coin will not be as huge as a 0.0004 and you're comparing to 0.004. You see that thing? And that's a strategy people don't know about. Yeah. So if I'm using Rocky coin, Rocky and 0.00471, and I open my Ascendus account for Rocky, and here is 0.0000870. So the 0 here is 4 and the 0 here is 3. So if you get a coin like this and you check and the address are the same, at times the address will not be the same. Yeah. So if you check and the address are the same, then you're good to go. So if the address are the same, you will see that here and here you think that it's not valuable, or like it's not worth it, or it will not give you huge capital. So let me tell you something. Let me show you something. So I'm buying is from here, buy. So I'm buying 100 USDT. 100 USDT. So I'll be getting our. So let me copy this thing, and I'll come here, and I'll go to sell here. Quantity that I want to sell is here. Allow. So if this one, I'm just using this one for tutorial sake. Yeah, how you can like build future accounts. So the two key coins I'm using is the same but have different address. But I'm using it for you to get an understanding what. Yeah. So if I'm selling it over here, I'm getting $537.4. So it means that I've made 437 profit on just one trade, on just $100. You see that thing? Yeah. So if you're searching for opportunities to do your arbitrage, always go in for like the decimal values, like 0.003, 0.004. You see that those coins? Yeah, those coins can easily make you rich for just one trade. You see, yeah, and that's why I'm using this as an example for you. So this one, if you do your 3 factors and you say that okay, it's cool, then you're good to go. But these two I'm using, the address are not the same. Yeah. So you just have to buy it from there and sell it over here, and you'll be making $437 just per one trade on $100 account, only if the address are the same. And you check and see that the other 3 factors are also okay, and you're good to go. You see, yeah. So this is one of the strategies that you can use it towards build your small account to higher accounts or huge or bigger accounts. Yeah. And the other step is that, imagine I did a trade. I bought the coin from here and I sold it over here, and I got $436 per profit. Imagine I'm doing 10 trade per day. So 437 times 10. I'm making $4,370 with my small account. I hope you understand. I'm making $4,370 my small account. So the other way for you to also build your small account is by what? By doing multiple trade. One thing about trading crypto arbitrage on the regulated platform is that it's unlimited. You can trade as many as you want. When you see or you pinpoint an opportunity, you can trade as much as you want without any termination of accounts, without any rules and regulations. Comparing to the black market platforms, you see that thing. Yeah, this one can give you more chances. So if I come here, you can see that the price are moving and stuff. Yeah. So if I come to the index here, let me go to Rocky. Latest trade. So you can see that people are selling, people are buying. You will see everything over here. People are selling, people are buying stuff. Yeah, you see that thing. Yeah. So the third strategy that I will advise you on it in order to build your small account to higher account is that you have to always consider the market volume. Because some coins don't have enough market value or it have less market value. Don't go in for those kind of coins, because at times it will delay your buy and sell. It will delay it. So go in for coins that have huge market value. Huge market value, in order to make your trade very very cool and smooth. You can see that this market volume for 24 hours is very okay. It's very cool. You see, yeah, it's very okay and very cool. So when you want to flip a small account to a huge account, target coins that have huge market value. Yeah, huge market value per 24 hours. Per 24 hours. So if I'm using this tool, you can see that over here the market value is okay, and here too the market value 1.53 billion Roki is okay. You see that thing? Yeah. So at times you can see some coin with, let's say, $10 market value for 24 hours. That those kind of coins don't go in for it. So always have to consider the market value. When market value is okay, then what, you are good to trade, or you are good to go. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Yeah. So this are some of the easy ways to flip a small account to a higher account. We have more than 7, so I can tell you 3 for free. Yeah. So if you want to flip your account, I would advise you to consider these things, and you can easily flip your account without any stress. Yeah. I think it's cool. Yeah, but if you have any questions, you can also leave it in the comment section, and I'll read it for you, and we will work on it in other videos as well. Yeah. So if you want to join my mentorship, if you want the boat, or if you want my course too, I have my WhatsApp link in the description. Chat me and let's talk business. The boat is $40 and my mentorship is $100. Yeah, chat me and let's talk business and enroll and make money for yourself. The name is Crypto Lord, and I'm the founder and the CEO of randalltechnology.com, or Randall Technology Company. Yeah. So catch me same time tomorrow, and let's make money together.